Hello friends, today we're going to create a velvet flower on a beautiful piece of blue velvet fabric. We'll be using golden and red colors in this design, so let's get started. First, we'll make the golden petals all around the flower. Alright friends, the golden embroidery is now complete. Next, we'll begin the red velvet flower in the center. Just a quick tip, whenever you're making a velvet flower, try to give it as much raised texture as possible. That's what makes it truly beautiful. And now the red flower is done. Next, we'll carefully cut the petals from the center using a blade. Look at that, friends. Our flower has turned out so lovely. If you'd like, you can also add a touch of pearls or sequins to enhance the design even more. For more such informative videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.